Right, so second spot of the day. Now the first spot I went to obviously didn't have any luck, and the wind was a bit of a nightmare. Had a crosswind coming in, really limiting where you can cast. This is a bit sketchy. So yeah, left that spot, went and got a coffee, and I've just come to a different place to throw out a lure here for half an hour. Then I'm going to knock it on the head, I think. Pop down the local tackle shop. We got Evobass lure, and I'm just going to find a spot to have a few casts and see if there's anything around here. Not too optimistic, never caught here before, but it's worth a go, kill some time. Don't want to get cut off there, keep an eye on that. Now all I'm doing is casting the lure out, retrieving it in pretty slowly, and just letting it bob around really, giving it a few twitches, let it sink. I'm fishing over rough ground, so I can feel the lure bouncing off a rock every now and then. And the tide just takes it really. We'll see if there's anything about. What a take that was. Oh, where's he gone? Oh, you absolute beauty. I saw that happen. Right, come on mate. This is why I absolutely love bass fishing. Not a bad size either. Come here. There we go. You beauty. That is a nice size fish as well. Oh, come here. Right, I'm just gonna move. Ah. Well, there we go. I hope I'm filming. That's a nice size too. I am filming. There we go. One beautiful bass. Good 2.5 pound that fish. Easy. It's pretty chunky. The Evobass lure. I was just working that so slowly, doing exactly what I was just saying in the last clip, and smash. You beast. Well, there we have it. One beautiful bass. I'm about to get him unhooked. Really good size that fish. We got the waves coming in. And check that out. Beast. Well, here we go. Look at that beast. That is a beautiful fish. Don't know if you can see on the camera there, but the blue in the fins, incredible. Absolute stunner. Let's get him back. Whoa. Right, we've got a wave coming in. He's kicking straight away and off he goes. What a beauty. Now I'm getting cut off here. Woohoo! Right, well that fish has gone back. I'm so stoked with that. Right, now I'm getting cut off here, so I'm going to get another 5 or 10 casts away while I can, and then I'm going to have to move. But I'm so happy about that. Now literally, I was doing exactly what I said in the last clip. Just basically letting the lure bounce around, and that fish took just in there. So not far away, probably 10 to 12 feet away from me. And I didn't want to curse it or jinx it when I got here, but I was walking around looking for a spot to fish off. I've never ever caught a bass here in my life, so that's the first one. And yeah, I didn't want to jinx it, but I thought to myself, my God, the conditions look perfect. There's got to be at least a bass around here. And sure enough, and a nice size too. So I'm dead happy about that. The Evobass lures working once again. Now I'm getting cut off as we speak, so not got long. Now this is the first time using this lure in this colour, and I've caught a fish on it. And the first time I used the Evobass lures all together was one of these lures, exactly the same, but it was like a light blue colour, and I caught on that very first time of using it too. So I can't say how stoked I am about these lures. They're amazing. They cast so well. You just gotta kind of imagine what they're doing under the water to get used to them, to know how to work them. You can't even just straight retrieve them, and they sink with the nose first. So yeah, when you're just kind of bobbing it along and twitching it along, it sinks nose first. They look really, really lifelike. Now the gully behind me is about knee deep now, so I'm going to give it one more cast after this, and then I'm going to try and find another spot to fish off. Just a bit limited with how the wind is at the moment, but I'll try and find somewhere. Bit of a wet foot there. Right, I think I found another place to fish off. Just seeing if I can get to it. Should be able to get a few casts away from here. It's a little bit higher up into a bit of some deeper water, but we'll give it a go from here, doing the same as before. I'll just be letting the lure sink a little bit more, letting the tide take it. There's lots of current that runs through here. Well, I've come back to near where I was before. The current's, the tide's running way too hard the other side. Now I'm just going to give it another 6 or 7 casts from here, and then I'm going to have to go. This tide's coming in quickly now. Right, that's going to do it for this session. Got the tide whipping in now, so I don't want to get cut off. But I'm super stoked to get that bass. Good size as well, just under 50 centimetres. He went back fine, but it was a nice chunk of a fish. Once again, on the Evobass lures, quality lures these, loving them. The more I use them, the more I'm liking them. But yeah, I'm going to head off now, and I might head out later on tonight. So yeah, until then, see you next time.